Hi! In this video, I'll guide you through the process of associating domains with data streaming on the Azion platform. If you need to power your stream processing, security information, and event management and big data platforms with the event logs of your applications in real time, this video walks you through exactly what you need. So, let's get started. Access Azion platform. In the upper left corner on the Products menu, select Data Streaming on the Observe section. Click Add Streaming. Choose a name for your data streaming. Try to use a meaningful name to help you remember for what purpose you've created this data streaming. On the Data Source drop-down menu, you can configure your data streaming to receive the specific type of event logs that you are interested in analyzing. For edge functions and WEF events, you must be subscribed to the products. On the Template drop-down menu, you can use a preset of data, or you can customize the format by choosing the Custom Template. If you choose Custom Template, add the variables you want to use in your logs analysis in the Dataset code box. On Options, select between Filter Domains or All Domains. If All Domains is selected, it includes all current and future account-associated domains for streaming. On the Destination section, select an endpoint type on the drop-down menu. You'll see different fields depending on the endpoint type you choose. Finally, to finish your data streaming setup, make sure the active switch is turned on. Click the Save button. You've successfully created a data streaming on RTM. To see all your created data streamings, go to the Data Streaming page and select one from the list. Feel free to create multiple ones. To make sure your logs are being sent to your endpoint through the configured data streaming, you can use real-time events to query detailed analysis. If you have any questions, please reach out to our online documentation. You can find more detailed information about the product and its first steps on the reference documentation. Thank you for watching and move to the edge.